Hello everyone, this is one of my old little computers I used to have, and I was just about to set it up in my workshop and have a computer running in here, but it wasn't working. So I took the top off to find that at some point taking the hard drive out, probably to fix some of the laptops that I've had in the past. So instead of, plus it's pretty old, so to be honest it probably won't run that well at the moment. So I'm going to strip it down and see what gold items we can get out of it. So there's quite a few little tiny screws, which I've never taken one of these before apart before, so hang on, that's a bit rubbish, that one. Let's try slightly bigger screwdriver. So what I'll probably do is fast forward this part, just get the bulk of it apart and see what it's like inside. So I've stripped it down a little bit, and even though there's two slots there that says hard drive 1 and hard drive 2, I've just noticed inside now it says system hard drive. There is actually a hard drive in there, so that must have all the operating system, and these hard drives must kept all the programs and data in that on. So it might not necessarily have meant that it wasn't working because it was hard drive. It might be another fault, but never mind. Started stripping down. This is what you can see so far. Hard drive in there, a little board on the bottom with some gold connectors, fan and heatsink on the CPU, which I'll have a closer look at in a minute. And by the look of it in there is the Wi-Fi little processor card. The antenna wires coming off, which I'll just get into it a bit more so we can see in a bit more detail what's in it. So these are all the items out of that small computer. That's the size of that. So yeah, we have the main board with some nice gold fingers there, and the integrated processor, and some of the little goodies in there. For me, I like taking the MLCCs, some gold pins in that memory slot. IC on this side, we got lots of little ICs, some tantalum capacitors, more MLCCs, some more connectors with gold pins, quite a few MLCCs on there, and then you've got these, that we've got gold connectors inside, which plus need to remove the battery, that's there. So I'm not sure what this grade this would be, because it's a bit different to a laptop motherboard, and it's completely different to a PC motherboard, so I'm not sure what that would categorize as. Here's the Wi-Fi card, some nice green fingers on there, and what came off these two connectors here is the two antenna that got nice gold plated connectors on the ends, and there's two of them. The hard drive, the little board, some gold fingers on there, and on the other side this will be some chips, which I'll strip them down further. Most microscopic favourites, other than processors, is memory. It's a laptop type memory. You've got your nice gold fingers there, and some BGA type ICs on there, which are good for gold recovery as well, especially on memory cards. A little kind of riser card thing, which has got, I don't know if you can see them in there, gold fingers, or gold pins I should say. Not much on the back. So, a bit of extra free gold in them. And what else? The copper aluminium heatsink. That was on top of the processor. On top of that. So, aluminium and copper, which free copper is always good as well. Fan, that was on the heatsink. So, bit of shred scrap metal there. Take the fan out with the motor, and a bit of single insulated wire. The scrap metal shred, and there's two small pieces of stainless steel that was part of the hard drive housings. So that's everything that was out of that little thing. Not a lot, but it's all a bonus. Bits of free gold, like I say, connectors, memory by the fingers, and the chips. Same thing with this one, free gold, fingers, and there'll be some chips on the side there. The little wireless LAN adapter, gold on there. It's gold on the board as well, and there's gold inside the connectors and the chips and stuff as well, and silver, possible silver in the MLCCs. All in all, it wasn't working, which to be honest I probably could have got it working, but it's probably about 15 years old, so it probably wouldn't cope with all programs nowadays. So bit of extra gold recovery to my collection, and enjoy doing it. So anyway, this is what you get out of a small computer, not one of your standard towers. So hope that's interesting, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.